A vending machine in Longview is offering something that could mean the difference between life and death. Thanks for joining us for CBS 19 News at 6:30. I'm Dan Millay. The East Texas Council on Alcoholism and Drug Abuse installed Gregg County's first free vending machine with a life-saving nasal spray that quickly reverses opioid overdoses. According to Texas Health and Human Services, more than 1,000 Texans died from fentanyl poisonings last year, and nearly 4,000 overdose deaths were classified as unintentional. As fentanyl and other opioids continue impacting communities across East Texas, health leaders say education and access are key to saving lives. CBS 19's Jamie Hazard explains.
You don't have to be an addict. You don't have to have used drugs before. It can be accidental.
It looks like an ordinary vending machine, but instead of snacks or a cold drink, it's dispensing hope. Outside EDCADA's Longview office, anyone can now get naloxone for free. The medication Narcan, which is a nasal spray, can reverse an opioid overdose in minutes.
It also makes people ask questions. And I think a huge thing about the barrier and the stigma is the lack of education. So if people are asking questions, then they're getting educated on what we actually do and what we provide here.
There is no cost, no prescription, no identification is needed. She hopes more East Texans will keep it in their homes, cars, and backpacks, ready for an emergency they never expect.
It can't hurt to have the Narcan. If you administer Narcan to someone, it's a nasal spray. And if that's not what's wrong with them, there's no harm in giving it to them. If that is what's wrong, it will help save their life.
It's not just in vending machines. Schools also have access now. Patricia Mitchell, Chapel Hill ISD's lead nurse, says nurses have administered naloxone to students exposed to opioids. Today, all of their campuses carry the medication. Nurses wear it on their badges, emergency cabinets are stocked, principals keep it in their offices, and every staff member is trained to use it.
Every student before they leave will know what Narcan is, will know how to use it, will know how to get a hold of it.
She says it's important to know overdose victims are often unconscious, breathing slowly, or not at all, and every second counts. With 4 naloxone vending machines now serving East Texas, EDCADA hopes that removing barriers of access will give more families a second chance at life.
I'd rather have it and not need it than not have it and I need it.
Educating people on where they can get it, how you use it, and what it's used for would save so many lives.
In Tyler, Jamie Hazard, CBS 19.
The free naloxone vending machine is available 24 hours a day outside ETCADA's office in Longview on Glencrest Lane. Leaders say they hope to expand the program to other smaller East Texas communities where access to life-saving medication can be limited.